Last example, we're going to look at NO3 negative, so your nitrate ion. First step, if it was a stable octet, it would be NO3. It would be 8 electrons there times 3. So it would be 4 times 8 instead of doing that. 4 times 8 electrons, which gives us 32. I'm a math teacher. Good. If they were neutral atoms, if they were neutral atoms, 5 electrons, 6 electrons. So that would be 5 plus 3 times 6 because there's 3 oxygens. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 5 is what, 23? 3 times 6, 18. That's definitely 8 times 6. 3, 6, 18 plus 5 equals 23. I'm not good at mental math. 23 electrons. So step 3, we've got 23 electrons, and then you have to consider your charge. Because it's a -1 charge, it means there's been an electron added to this polyatomic ion. Gives us a total of 24 electrons. Let's figure out how many bonding electrons we have. So we're going to go 32 electrons minus 24 electrons gives us 8 electrons, which gives us 4 bonds around the nitrogen in this case. And then fifth, how many electron pairs are there going to be? I feel like I didn't like make a mistake in the other one, but like it's not exactly how I want it to be. So watch when I do this question how I want the answers to be. 24 minus 8 is, I don't know, 16. 24 minus 10 is 14. So 24 minus 8 is 16 electrons. So there are 8 lone pairs. Okay, so one of the diagrams should actually look like this. And I did like a combined of both of them, which wasn't right. Bad job, me. Okay. So your first diagram, they are ions, so they're going to have a charge, ion charge of 1 negative, nitrogen in the middle, and then nitrogen has 5 electrons around it. You know that there are going to be 4 bonds created. Oh, this is why I didn't do it. You know what? I don't care. Just watch this one and we'll do it right. So oxygen, 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 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? When you're doing this on a test, you're not actually going to show me the lone pair of electrons in the final diagram, but I want for polyatomic ions, I want you to show the first diagram with the bonds and the lone pairs of electrons, and the second diagram is just going to be your Lewis line structure with the bonds. Okay, so how many? 8 pairs of electrons. I'm not going to start on the oxygen with the double bond. I'll start over here. So 16 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I just drew those on a little bit of a diagonal because I know a little bit more than you. If you drew them like north and west or south and west, I wouldn't care. Okay, so then you'll have that diagram that shows the lone pairs of electrons because that's an important skill. And then you'll have your final diagram, which is just going to show the bonds because we don't show lone pairs of electrons in Lewis line structures, and it's a -1 charge. And now it's time for your homework.